In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to ClickUp, creating a seamless workspace to manage all your tasks and documents together in one coherent flow. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your ClickUp account. Once you're in, take a look at the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see your profile avatar. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose either Apps or App Center. They will both lead you to the same destination. This App Center serves as the hub for all your integrations and tools that can enhance your ClickUp experience, making it an indispensable feature for customizing your workspace exactly as you need it. Next, we need to locate Google Drive within the App Center. It's like a treasure hunt, but don't worry, it's quite straightforward. In the App Center's search bar, type in Google Drive. Once it shows up in the results, you'll see an option next to it that says Connect. Go ahead and click on that. Now comes a choice based on your preference and needs. ClickUp gives you the option to establish a personal connection or a workspace connection with Google Drive. A personal connection will tie the integration to your individual account, meaning only you will have access to it within ClickUp. On the other hand, a workspace connection opens up access to everyone in your designated workspace. This option is particularly useful if you're working in a team setting and need to share documents widely. However, selecting a workspace connection does require an admin role, so ensure you have the necessary privileges if you opt for this choice. Once you've decided on the type of connection that best suits your needs, you'll proceed to sign in with your Google account. This is a crucial step, as it's where you'll link your Google Drive directly with ClickUp. You'll be prompted to grant a series of permissions, allowing ClickUp access to manage files on your behalf. This may seem like a lot at first, but these permissions are essential for the integration to work smoothly. After reviewing the permissions and feeling comfortable with them, hit Allow to finalize the integration. And there you have it. Google Drive should now be successfully connected to your ClickUp account, allowing you to easily attach files, streamline document management, and enhance collaboration within your team or personal projects. In this digital age, streamlining tools like these can save you not only time, but also a lot of hassle. And now that you have Google Drive connected to your ClickUp, you're one step closer to mastering your workflow. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your productivity tools.